but, over the last few days, there's a lot of, we don't have clarity. Who's really at fault over here? What is your take over here, Shailija Chandra?
You see, I can't sit and give a takeaway to you without having the data and the facts. But it is the responsibility of both the corporation as well as the Delhi government to have an audit ordered, and the Director of Audit of Delhi is fully competent to be able to show the actual way in which funds have been released, how much and for what reason and when. Unless this is brought out and it is authenticated, there will be counterclaims both ways and the public is suffering. One has never heard of this situation where sanitary workers and doctors and nurses come on the streets. This is absolutely the primary obligatory responsibility of the municipal corporation, and if they are unable to do it, they should get an audit done to show what kind of money they have received. And in case they are sitting on money and not releasing it, then it's a very serious matter. But it does seem to me that if the representations were against the non-payment by the MCD, then the workers would be representing to the MCD. The fact that they are taking all this onto the streets to the Delhi government ministers and all does show that either it's a fact that they are being denied or they have been told wrong things. But only data and published data, which via the government organizations, it can't be a claim and a counter-claim. It has to be brought down.
You made an interesting point over there. Let me put the final question to Shivani, our correspondent covering this show. Sorry, because Shivani, Shailija Chandra has just said that, the Aam Aadmi Party is claiming they've given the money, the BJP corporations haven't disbursed it. But her point over here is that why are the protesting workers dumping garbage outside the homes of the Delhi ministers, the Aam Aadmi Party ministers then?
You have to, after meeting a lot of union leaders of these MCD employees, they in fact start blaming both the Aam Aadmi Party and the central government. Now you have to remember that these employees have been stuck between the tussle that's going on between the central government and the Delhi, government for years now. And their salaries have been pending for the past 3 to 4 months. They say that if they do not take any action, then nothing will be done. And that is why they started, throwing garbage outside the homes of ministers of, the Delhi government ministers. They're justifying their points. But in fact...
All right, Shivani, I'm so sorry, got to interrupt.